The impugned judgment dated 25th of March 24 of the learned full bench of the High Court is set aside to the extent it is or may be inconsistent with this order or the detailed reasons. The order of the Election Commission of Pakistan dated 1st of March 2024 is declared to be ultra vires the Constitution without lawful authority and of no legal effect. The notifications of various dates whereby the persons respectively mentioned therein, being the persons identified in the Commission's notification dated 13th of May 2024, have been declared to be returned candidates for reserved seats for women and minorities in the National and Provincial Assemblies are declared to be ultra vires the Constitution without lawful authority and of no legal effect, and are quashed from 6th of May 2024 onwards, being the date an interim order was made by the court in CPLA number 13289 of 24, the leave petitions out of which the instant appeals arise. It is declared that the lack or denial of an election symbol does not in any manner affect the constitutional and legal rights of a political party to participate in an election, whether general or by, and to field candidates, and the Commission is under a constitutional duty to act and construe and apply all statutory provisions accordingly. Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, PTI, was and is a political party which secured or won the two terms being interchangeable general seats in the National and Provincial Assemblies in the general elections of 2024 as hereinafter provided. The PTI shall be entitled to reserve seats for women and minorities in the National Assembly accordingly. PTI shall, within 15 working days of this order, file its lists of candidates for the said reserved seats, and the provisions of Election Act 2017 and the Election Rules 2017 shall be applied to such lists in such manner as gives effect to this order in full measure. The Commission shall, out of the reserved seats for women and minorities in the National Assembly to which para 3 of this order applies, notify as elected in terms of the Article 51 provisions that a number of candidates from the list filed or as the case may be to be filed by the PTI as is proportionate to the general seats secured by it in terms of paragraph 7 and 8 of this order. Paragraph 10. The foregoing paras shall apply mutus mutandis for purposes of Article 106 in relation to PTI for the reserved seats for women and minority in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh provincial assemblies to which paragraph 3 of this order applies. In case the Commission or PTI need any clarification or order as to give effect to this para in full measure, it shall forthwith apply to the court by making an appropriate application, which shall be put before the judges constituting the majority in chambers for such orders and directions as may be deemed appropriate.
Thank you. Very grateful.